Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a great investment opportunity. This unfinished, modern aesthetic design property sits on 36,781 square feet of land. The house is situated at the front of the property with lots of space for expansion. The property has 5 self-contained units, 4 studios designed with a kitchenette and bathroom and closet space. The main apartment is located over 2 floors with bedroom, bathroom upstairs, and living, dining, kitchen, washroom, and powder room downstairs. All living spaces are designed around the pool area. The design comes with an external stairs already prepped to access the roof for a recreational space and for a beautiful view of 7 Mile Strip and the coast along West End and the mountain. It is a great opportunity for short-term rentals. Located 5 minutes from the town of Negril along the West End Road and Ella Lane, Westmoreland. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 475,000 or Jamaican $73.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.